Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Lasko heater is showing a blinking 88 on the display, it can look confusing at first because it doesn't clearly explain what's going wrong. This type of display usually appears when the heater is experiencing a system reset, a temporary glitch, or an issue related to power or internal safety features. In some cases, it can also show up when the unit is initializing or not functioning properly due to overheating or sensor-related interruptions. The important thing is not to panic, because this doesn't always mean the heater is damaged. Most of the time, it can be resolved with a few simple checks and a proper reset. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to understand what the blinking 88 means and how to fix it so your heater works normally again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the heater and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Allow the heater to cool down completely for several minutes. Step 3. Plug the heater back in to reset the internal system. Step 4. Check and clean the air vents to remove dust or blockage. Step 5. Ensure the heater is connected to a stable power source. Step 6. Turn the heater on and check if the blinking 88 display has cleared.